What is master resale rights? Is MRR a scam? Is it legit? And should you be doing master resale rights as a complete beginner? I'm going to answer all your questions when it comes to master resale rights. More importantly, I'm going to be reviewing the top master resale rights programs, such as the Ultimate Branding Course, the Roadmap 3.0, and Digital Wealth Academy. Now, in this specific video, I want to dive deep into the actual business model of master resale rights, and is it the right fit for people just getting started with digital and affiliate marketing. Now, if you want a specific review on a certain product, I went ahead and created multiple reviews. Here's one I did for the Ultimate Branding Course. Go check that out if you want to go see the full in-depth review. Now, if you want to see a review on Digital Wealth Academy, make sure to go watch this video where I dive deep into how Digital Wealth Academy works. And then I also made a review on the Roadmap to Riches MRR program, also known as the Roadmap 3.0, and you can check out that review as well. Now, before we go into this, my name is Jonathan Montoya, and why should you listen to me? Well, I've been doing digital and affiliate marketing since May of 2019. I was actually able to quit my 9-to-5 job in March of 2020, and I've been able to help over 60,000 people get on the path to financial and time freedom. And not only have I produced multiple successful online courses, and on top of that, I've been able to create a software that has helped people build an entire business in literally minutes. So I want to give you the full perspective on these master resale rights courses based on my experience and building a business that has continued to last for a lifetime, and more importantly, will help me stay relevant. Now let's answer the question, what is master resale rights? So master resale rights, also known as MRR, refers to a specific type of license associated with digital products such as courses, ebooks, software, and this license allows the purchaser to not only use the product themselves, but also sell the product to others. More importantly, it grants them the right to pass on the reselling rights to their buyers. So what does that mean? That means if you buy a master resale rights product, that means you can resell it at 100% profits. Secondly, they can also resell the rights to buyers. So let's just say you were to purchase a master resale rights course and a buyer were to purchase from you, well, they can now resell it as well. Now, with an MRR type product, you're not allowed to make any modifications to the content inside of the course. So an MRR product is different than a PLR product, which is a private label right. Now, one of the main reasons I'm making this video is because master resale rights is extremely hot and trending right now. Meaning if you type in master resale rights on YouTube or Google, you can see that there's 22,000 searches per month of people looking for a master resale rights program. That means master resale rights is extremely popular and people are buying this product like crazy. But does that mean it's the best program for a beginner? And I'm going to explain that entire process. Now, I've reviewed multiple master resale rights courses, again, such as UBC, DWA, and the Roadmap to Riches. And all of those programs depend on that one income stream, meaning you buy the product and you can only sell the product, but you can't get any of the income streams that are within the program itself. Meaning, let's just say that you buy, for example, Digital Wealth Academy. Well, let's just say you were to buy the course and you were to resell it. Well, your customer is going to get access to the course material, but anything that's within the course, you're not getting credit for. That being said, let's just say there's a funnel builder or some sort of software or some sort of tool that they're teaching within that course. Well, you don't have access to that. So unfortunately, you're not getting the money for that. You may be getting the 100% profits on reselling the course, but for example, you're not getting anything when someone clicks on the other products within that course. And this is one of the the main issues that I see with a master resale rights course, because you're depending on that one product and you're not really building the long-term business. And I'm going to explain how you can properly build a long-term business at the end of this video. Now, here's a clear example of what I'm talking about. Here's the roadmap, and I'm inside the course, and here's the thing, right? They're showing you how to set up this software. But for example, let's just say you click on this module on how to set up system.io, right? So if we click inside of here, it shows you how to set up that entire system, but there's no links that will go back to you, meaning people are going to go watch these modules. And when people click to set up their System.io account, well, you're not getting the credit. And at the end of the day, you're trying to build this online business that brings in multiple streams of income. So that's the biggest thing that bothers me about a master resale rights course, is there's no way to build up multiple streams of income. Now, again, at the end of this video, I'll show you how you can tap into 15, 20 different income streams, even if you're doing an MRR course. Now, the next important question I get is master resale rights, is it legal? So technically, master resale rights is illegal because they're giving you permission to resell it. However, it's kind of crossing those gray lines, and I'll tell you why. Because in affiliate marketing, which is what I do, there's programs out there that you have to buy the affiliate education to be able to promote it. That's technically illegal. But since this is different, right? It's a master resale rights course and not an affiliate course, because a master resale rights is technically your own digital marketing program. It's different, right? But as an affiliate marketing course, if you see any affiliate marketing courses that you need to buy into to be able to promote them as an affiliate marketer, that's technically illegal, and I would stay away from those types of programs. But again, a master resale rights program is technically legal because the creator of the course is allowing you to resell it. But again, it's on that gray line where you have to buy it to be able to quote unquote promote it. Again, I know you're not promoting it, you're reselling it, but it's just something that I personally wouldn't want to touch, because that's just something I wouldn't do, especially now that I've grown close to an 8-figure business. Now, that being said, you're probably fine reselling it, especially if you're a complete beginner, but just know that if there's an affiliate program and you have to buy it to promote it, that's technically illegal, and stay away from that. Now, the next thing I'm seeing is the marketing of the MRR product. For some reason, people that are marketing this on Instagram Reels or YouTube or Facebook, one of the main issues for people not getting sales or traction is because people are leading with the product, meaning they're not providing any real value in the marketplace and they're not standing out from others. And this is such a huge breakthrough that helped me get out of my 9-to-5 job, was not talking about the product, but rather talking about the dream outcome of how you can help your customers. And I'm not saying all master resale rights people are doing this, but this is something I'm seeing literally 90% of the time, where people just don't know how to do the marketing properly. But I understand, because I was a complete beginner and I would do the same thing, where I would just talk about all the products and all the modules and how great the product is. But again, at the end of the day, people don't care about the products, they care about the dream outcome. Even my products, I never lead with what I have to promote or what I have to sell, because people don't care about that. What they really care about is being able to quit their jobs, achieving financial and time freedom, being able to pay the bill when you go out with your family and friends. Those are the things that people actually desire and they want. Now, I created an entire training for the master resale rights community, absolutely free, just to help you be able to learn how to properly promote this if this is something you still want to pursue. I'm gonna leave a link to that down below in the YouTube description, and that'll get you access to my master resale rights training. It's about 90 minutes long, and I go extremely into depth on how to properly promote these products. More importantly, how you can tap into 15 other income streams. I'll leave that link down below if you want access to that. And one final note, this is something different that you can think about, right? everyone else is selling a $500 course. Well, this is something that I give to my students when I'm creating content, is I actually give out a free course. And this is just a way that I can build my email list. So as an example, most people are just trying to do this. They're trying to get people to buy a course. But what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to build a list and a business that's going to last a lifetime. So instead of leading with a $500 course, I'm actually leading with a free course, which completely changes the game, right? And the people that are doing this right here, they're giving away a free course. I promise you, you're gonna make so much more money than just leading with a $500 product, okay? So this is what it looks like right here. It's a full 7-part course on how people can quit their 9-to-5 job. And the cool thing is you can actually see at the bottom, I let my students use this free course as their own, and all the links that are at the bottom actually go back to them, and that's how they tap into those 15 other income streams. Now, if you want more information, again, on how this works, again, I created a completely free training on how you can tap into 15 more income streams if you're doing master resell rights. Again, I'll leave that down in the YouTube description. Make sure to watch that training, whether you're already doing master resell rights or if you're just on the fence and you're not sure if you should do a master resell rights course. But that training is gonna help both. If you're already in the master resell rights and you're not getting the results you want, I promise you, this is gonna be such a game changer for you. Or if you're a complete beginner, you haven't bought a master resell rights program, go check out that training before you do anything. I promise it's gonna be worth your time. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and God bless.